Welcome to the New Zealand of Malaysia.
We made it to Kundasang and we are so excited because everyone in Borneo so far has been telling us that this is a must-do from Kota Kinabalu.
And the drive here already was fantastic. It was like a little bit of windy roads. I'm still getting used to driving a car on the other side, on the left side. I'm pretty good with a motorbike, but cars are different. But beautiful views. We stopped at a fantastic viewpoint of Mount Kinabalu, such a majestic mountain.
It's incredible. It's the highest peak here in Borneo as well as in Malaysia at 4,000 meters. And it looks incredible. Too bad we don't have the time to hike it, but that is definitely one of the amazing things to do in this area. Instead, we're going to be checking out a few other viewpoints in the area as well as a dairy farm because everyone also says that's a must stop here. Yeah, when we rented a car this morning, they were like, oh, are you going to the dairy farm? So we clearly have to do that. But first, we're starting here at Sosodikon Hill, which is like just like a 15-20 minute walk up a little ridge there. But it still gives you incredible views.
What's very interesting is that even though that this area is probably one of the most popular day trip destinations in the Kota Kinabalu area, we are doing this little tiny hike all by ourselves.
So the 15 minutes I saw online is more like 5 minutes. It's a very, very short walk up a few stairs and a little trail, but the views here are amazing. You have panoramic views everywhere you look. It's truly incredible. You can see really far down the valley. Unfortunately, you cannot see Mount Kinabalu from here. I think normally you could, but it's completely covered in clouds. So we're very thankful that we saw it earlier at the viewing platform because those views were stunning. So if you ever wonder, oh, I'll just take the photo, video later, don't do that. You never know what the cloud situation is. So if you see it clearly, make sure you take the photo and video there. And then, this is so nice. It's truly incredible. I can see why it gets its nickname, the New Zealand of Malaysia. It also reminds me a little bit of Switzerland too.
Just a 10-minute car ride from the viewpoint is Desa Dairy Farm, and this is a very, very popular spot to visit here.
Desa Dairy Farm is incredibly popular because of its scenic views of Mount Kinabalu as a backdrop. Unfortunately though, the clouds are covering it.
So just imagine a 4,000 meter tall mountain just the backdrop over there.
Yes.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Oh, it would be, but honestly, we're just so glad that we were able to see it earlier, and it's still beautiful. Yeah. You have a lot of rolling hills all around you, and I'm excited about an activity here. We're gonna feed baby cows.
Yeah. You're gonna feed baby cows, I'm gonna feed myself with a frozen yogurt.
Yeah, an ice cream would be nice, but I'm lactose intolerant, so unfortunately, my activity will be
I will sacrifice myself to try for you.
Yeah, lucky you.
Aside from feeding baby cows, there are a few other things that you can do here at the farm. You can visit the barn, which is unfortunately only open from 9 to 2 p.m. because that's when the cows are going to get milk, which we just saw. And obviously nothing is done by hand anymore. The thing is very automated, and yeah, it's really a very well-oiled machine. And yeah, I mean, seen stuff like this before.
Yeah, it's pretty common in Romania and Austria, so nothing too special for us, but I don't think I've actually fed a baby cow. So.
I definitely have when I was a kid, but it's been a while for sure, so it's your experience.
Hello! It's so cute! Oh my goodness, this one is hungry. Their tongue is so weird. I'm sorry, it's done. Yeah, you ate it so fast. You ate it so fast. Yep. Well, that was fun. It's just me and the kids, but you know what? It's a fun activity. I'm sorry, I don't have any more. We don't have any more. I know. You're hungry. I know. Aside from the milk, you can also get grass, and there are also some goats here. Oh wow, this one, you're ready, aren't you? Are you ready? Yes. Yes. Whoa. Okay. Wow. Hello, share. Your buddy wants some food too. I know. Okay, here you go. Okay, but now I'm trying to feed your friends. I'm trying to feed your friends. Did you see that? Hey, that's not nice. Manners. You don't get any food if you're not being nice. Okay, so maybe that was a little bit childish, but I don't care because that was surprisingly so fun. I was so shocked how aggressive some of them were. They were like definitely fighting for it, and I tried my best to give some to many different ones, but yeah, I honestly think that's such a fun activity. But now that the calves and goats have been fed, next up is Daniel. He is wanting his ice cream and chocolate milk. Apparently that's also a thing you gotta do here, so let's check out to see how good it is.
Let's get some ice cream. Okay, now that I have everything, my natural frozen yogurt and my chocolate milk, let's find a spot to try that. I'm excited. This is very, very milky. A little bit different than I thought. It's actually not as sweet that I expected. I also heard that the chocolate milk is not as sweet either. So let's try that next. Apparently very famous. Oh, let's make not a mess. Okay. Cheers to that. Yep, definitely less sweet than other chocolate milks, which I like. It's really good. Can recommend them. The dairy farm was definitely worth visiting. It was so cute. Then I had the best time feeding calves, and I mean, this chocolate milk and the frozen yogurt was delicious as well, and the views really, really great.
But now it's time for real food.
Yeah,
I'm so
we need to
hungry.
feed Diana now. We are going to a restaurant that's just like a 5 to 10 minute drive.
Yeah.
Selera Kebun. I think so. We'll put it right down there. Yeah, I'm just excited for some mee goreng or some nasi goreng.
I'm so hungry.
We actually decided to be a little bit adventurous with our food choice today. So no nasi goreng or no mee goreng, instead of having deer.
Yeah, we're trying something new.
Yeah.
I'm super curious about this. There's a deer with white pepper?
Deer with white pepper. I think it looks like there's some bell pepper and stuff in there as well.
It's like some stir fry.
Yeah, it looks delicious on the photo. Yeah.
That definitely helped to choose, that's for sure.
Yeah.
They have an extensive menu. They have quite a few options.
They do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that looked the most interesting.
Absolutely, and definitely a good add-on to a fantastic day. It's been so cool walking around there at the dairy farm and also the hike. So far we had an amazing time in Borneo. We've been here for a couple of days now. We visited the big mosque yesterday.
The floating mosque. In Kota Kinabalu, which was amazing. It was actually our first mosque that we've ever been to. And it was
Such
an
a cool
amazing experience. The staff was super friendly.
Yeah.
It was so fascinating to walk around. We're excited to visit more mosques in Malaysia soon.
Yeah, we got to wear the traditional outfits as well, which was something very different as well. Very cool to take some pictures.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat.
Okay, that looks actually very delicious.
I'm so curious.
Are you gonna try first?
Sure. Should we try it at the same time?
Yeah, I'm gonna try as well.
Some like onions and let's see.
Smells really, really good. Look at this.
Oh wow, that's really good.
Wow.
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 It's like smoky, right?
This is a very well seasoned.
It's got a kick, a little bit.
Yeah, it's a pepper, I think.
Yeah,
it's like a little bit of pepper spiciness to it, no chili.
Yeah.
But
Is it
wow.
smoky?
A little bit, yeah.
It's really good.
This is definitely, I would say, one of the best meals we've had so far in Malaysia.
I know,
Honestly.
I really like it.
Wow.
Who would have thought? Wow, so good. I'm so glad we chose this.
This was fantastic. Honestly, again, really come here on your way back from the dairy farm because that was a fantastic meal.
Oh, it was, I think, my favorite meal I've had so far in Malaysia. I think you already said at the table, but like mind blown. It was so good.
In general, an amazing day. Again, a fantastic start into Borneo. We had such a great day today.
It's been fantastic. Not only are the landscapes amazing, the Malaysian people are so incredibly nice everywhere we've been. Both in the mainland as well as Borneo. They're just incredible, so friendly. We're having the best time in Malaysia.
And we are continuing our journey in a couple of days. We're gonna have such a cool experience planned.
Yes, we're off to Sandakan. There's so many cool experiences coming up, and then back to Kuala Lumpur. So stay tuned. We have so many more videos. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos and leave us a comment below. We really appreciate it. It really helps us out, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.